O tout finge spelt alphabet in American Sign Language. If you've decided to learn sign language, what is just a little chloralo, the first step is to learn to finge spelt alphabet. Different regions use different alphabet, some of them using on some of them using to on. The article focuses on the ASL, American Sign Language, alphabet, which used in the United States, Canada, Malaysia, Germany, Austria, Norway, en Finlande, 1, with slight variation, ce below. Once you learn to sign for every letter, you can spell en every word tree, avec la understand anion who matri to communicate with you through finge spelling. Rare te signe, avec la somme guideline for finge spelling etiquette en good form. Signe. With the exception of G, C, O, en H, your palm fast person to whom you are speaking. A. McAfee's stand move your tombe over tout side of your. B. Puis your finge al straight up to shin antenne ban your tombe over your palm. C. Curl your so it looks to you like a backwards. D. Touche your tombe en every finge by your index finge, which should point straight up. E. Star with a B en. Ban your four finge donne so that ti just touche your tombe. B surtout pulitin so it de no ressemblant au. It noting like a clo. F. Touche your index finge en tonto gt en put rest of your finge upult gt. T often confused with the wish it opposite. G. Stick out your tombe en index finge à bout à centimètre apparent hold it sideway. Your palm face yourself. H. Macage en stick out your middle finger along the of your index finger. Your palm face yourself. I. Stick your pinky straight up. J. Stick out your pinky and twist invariant shape of a J. K. Puis your middle index finger up, en puis your tombe on your forefinger. L. Mac en L with your tombe en index finger. M. Point your fore, middle, en rigne finge forward. Place te tombe nez à te thème. N. Point your forefinger en your middle finger forward. Place te tombe nez à te thème. O. Mac en haut with your finger. P. Mac à dos noir pointing cabu with your tombe on your middle finger. Q. Point à jet dos noir. Your two finger should almost touch au T. Rue cross your middle finger over your index finger. S. McAfee stamp your tombe on top of your finger. T often confused with a so careful attention toute ton position. T. McAfee stamp your tombe between your middle finger en index finger. U. Orient your middle finger en your index finger u part gt. V. Macu, en séparate te finger. W. Tout ave, add dans u voir ring finger à le faner out. X. McAfee stanten raison crook your index finger. I. Stick out your pinky en tombe. Z. Mac Z, you would write it, with your index finger. Go form. Some tip for go form. Keep your hand in on place. Pause noticeably between individual vor. Avoid long eye or excessive jewelry, it can be distracting to someone reading your. When finger spelling en acronym, move LT in a small circle to let reader know that should no buried GTA on vor. Dans bounce your en between letter, une list rare to letter, in which case the bounce indicate the repetition of the signal T, dragging the letters likely to the side can also indicate repetition. Bouncing between every individual letter can make your finger spelling difficult to understand. To prevent it from happening, hold your wrist with your free hand to prevent it from moving up and down when you practice. After a while, you'll get used to keeping your hand still to thinking about it. Face your palm forward, except when you're signing the letter G, H en haut, in which case the palm should face sideway. Keep your finger spelling en H will direct. Keep a consist pace. Don't try to rush through finger spelling. The more important in it to signal ta consist rhythm, but to bouncing, sauta te reader quand esili distingui chapose. IBT to go slow en stiditant to rush en su dans l'hypose when you can remember a te reader ma mise interprète at the beginning of a new war.